Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to share another junk journal. This one is standard traveler's notebook size. So the dimensions are approximately 4.5 by 8.25. I have this piece of lace with pearl on the spine to help reinforce it where it's stitched at. This is scrapbook cardstock, and it is reinforced on the back, on the inside with cardstock. It's stitched around the edge. This is what the back looks like. And I used the wide eyelets on this. And then this is some seam binding, and I put little beads on the ends of the binding. And it's just in a bow. So I'm just going to take the bow loose. So this is what it looks like on the inside. This is the front cover. It has a bookmark style tag. Slides in behind that. Then this opens up and it has some ephemera in here. And this is also stitched. Then I have a hidden paper clip or altered paper clip over here. This is what it looks like. See, the paper clip is hidden on there. So you can just slide a piece of ephemera or whatever you want up under there and it'll hold it in place. On this side, it's just a little journaling card, very small. It's held in place by the hidden paper clip. Then we have one of these pockets. It's multiple pockets, and it's backed by a book page. We have a tag behind it. Then these are the tags that are tucked in, just a basic tag, scrapbook paper tag. Another tag with some stamping on it. It's inked and stamped. A card that says "Think Happy Thoughts." And then a very small tiny tag. So all those fit in there. And then this is a craft paper envelope. It opens up and there is a piece of ephemera in there. Room for journaling on the back. It just slides back in there. More room for journaling. This is dot grid. Then we have another tag, Paris tag, and a vellum postcard. Those clip right there. Then on the other side we have a pocket that is removable. It has a tuck spot. This is a guest check from pleasantcreations.com. And again, this pocket's a floating pocket made with a book page, and then that just is held in place by the clip. And again, you have a tuck spot here so you can tuck other things in there. That's a two-piece tag. Then we have some more room for journaling. Edge punched, a cluster. Room for journaling. This is tea or coffee stained paper. Another altered paper clip. And then this is a fold out, so you have more room for journaling. Or you can glue the ends and turn it into a pocket. So it slides back on there like that. Then we have a folder with a large tag, room for journaling on the back. We have another altered paper clip. If I can get it off, here we go. And it slides right on there. If you want to tuck something under there, you could, and hold it in place. This next page has this paper clip with a little bead on it. Let's see if I can. So it has a little bead. Then we have this envelope. It has some gold pen work on it, and it just clips over the page like that. The clip back. So this is the other side of the tea stain paper. Here's another collage tag journaling spot. Piece of tissue paper. doily, a vellum page with a vellum pocket. In the pocket we have another one of the envelopes, and then this envelope has a journaling card on here. This is a recipe, but you can journal on the back. And then tucks right in that vellum pocket. And then here is another journaling card. It's been inked. Then here we have an envelope with an embellished paper clip, hidden paper clip, altered paper clip. Inside the pocket we have journaling card. We have a page for journaling, or trifold for journaling. It's grid paper, and it has the corner punches. And so this slides right back on here like this. And then we have this that was on the other side. It's a little postcard, journaling card that was just right here. Then we have more room. Was I way over here? Then we have more room for journaling. We have a pocket with a journaling card, some stenciling, and this pocket is sewn. This is the center of the signature. This is a cluster tuck spot, so you can tuck things behind there. We have a library card, a tag, and a journaling card in the pocket. And then on this side we have another one of the pleasantcreations.com guest checks, and then we have this grid paper folded like an envelope, and then this just slides right in there and into the clip. And I left the strings long in case you want to add beads to the strings. Then here is another pocket. Again, it's stitched with a tag and a journaling card. Tag. Then on this page, there's room for journaling behind, but we also have a corner tuck spot. And then we have a tag. I think this tag is from Artie Mays. Have some ephemera that can be used as a journaling spot, and a ticket. More room for journaling over here. Here's the other end of the envelope with a decorative cut on the edge, and some journaling spots from my deep floral junk journal kit at Scrapcraftastic.com, and they just slide right in there. Then we have the other side of the vellum, the doily, the tissue paper. This is an envelope made from a tea-stained planner insert, and this is a spot for journaling on the inside. And then you can put other things in here. You can embellish this envelope, decorate it, and it slides right on there. This paper clip has this confetti filled bauble. More room for journaling. Another large tag. The edges have been inked. A hidden paper clip embellishment with a pearl and flower. And this is the other side of the folder as well. More tea or coffee stained paper, room for journaling. A small pocket, another of the fashion tags, and a butterfly tag from Artie Mays. Then we have this envelope tucked on the side here, like so. And just the flap goes over. This is a pocket with some ephemera and a journaling card or journaling spot, and it just slides down in there like that. Then over here we have more of the small dot grid, another hidden paper clip, and a piece of ephemera. Another small piece of ephemera, a botanical card. Here's the other side of the envelope, the craft paper envelope. and more room for journaling. So it's botanicals, spin inked, room for journaling. Envelope closes like this. Some ephemera on the other side of the envelope, a tag with room for journaling, a butterfly tag with more room for journaling behind. Here is the back cover. This flap opens up. You can do some journaling inside of that. And I have a piece of ephemera in the pocket back here. And again, this is the back. So this, again, is a traveler's notebook size. It will be listed in my shop at scrapcraftastic.com. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the gray bell so that you'll receive notification when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.